What's up guys, welcome back to my new video. It's been long since I posted my last video, but yeah, I was quite tied up with my work and stuff with the university. But yeah, today I've taken some time to show you unboxing and the first look of a new battery gift from my Nikon D5600. And I ordered this with eBay and I got it for a little cheaper, but there are different websites for Amazon and the home website of New Year where you can get it for different prices. I got it for around 23 euros without shipping, but on eBay it's 23 euros with I think 4 euros for shipping. So it varies, but let me show you the unboxing and quickly show you how it mounts. So let's get started guys. So we have a white box. I hope you can see this because of the white background. But yeah, it says for Nikon D5500, and yeah, it's some tin. I don't know, but let's see. Obviously, it's made in China. But yeah, as long as it functions, that's important. So this in the box we get the Nikon 600, and we have something in here which is looks like a Bedienungsleitung, user manual. So it shows it can take 2 batteries, and the main function is that you can load 2 different batteries in the camera, which can give you a better grip first of all for vertical shooting, and also having 2 batteries is double the battery backup. So that's what you get. And in the pack, let's see, this is the battery grip. Oh, it looks really nice. And this is the small cable which attaches to the camera and also the battery grip, so that you can make pictures. There's a shorten button given here, I'll show you later. And this is the cable. Yep. And this is the grip itself, and wow, it's better than I expected. The grips are really nice. It's quite rubbery with a rubbery finish, and yeah, that's the battery part right here, battery door. And yeah, it's for D5500, but that means that it could also fit for D5600 as well. So let me quickly show you how to install it. There's nothing much. There's just one shutter button here, which can be used to make pictures, like so, and the tripod mount for this, and the battery loading and unloading compartment. You just flip the switch here, turn it counterclockwise, and the battery compartment pops out, and here you can load your batteries. And unfortunately, like the New Year, we don't have an on-off switch, so yeah, but it doesn't matter that much. So okay, I'll just grab my D5600 and show you how it will install and how it looks. So I've got my camera here. So with the camouflage cover for the unboxing and installation, I've already made a video. You can find the link in the description, and also a short link here. You can watch it if you like the cover. I really like it. So let me take this cover off because you have to do it. So I've already removed the battery here. So now comes the tricky part guys, removing the battery door. And you have to be really careful while you remove and install this battery door, because what happens is if you break it, it's very hard to find. Even if you find it, it alone costs around I think 25 euros minimum, that too from China, to get the original part. So you have to be really careful. What I prefer doing is tilt it to the right 45 degrees and slowly just pull it out from the socket. Try not to apply too much force so that it doesn't break. Once you hear the pop, you can just slide it out and you have it. So it's intact. See this part? It's really delicate. So the battery grip gives you a compartment to store it so that you don't lose it. So as I explained, it's really expensive if you lose it. So this just fits snugly in. I'll show you one more time. I think you can do it as well this way. Yeah, you got it. So yeah, it looks better this way. Slide it in. So now I'll quickly take the cover off. This is the advantage of having a cover, guys. It looks brand new. It's almost 1 year old, more than 1 year, but if you have the cover on, it looks brand new. So let me just install it. All you need to do is insert this into the battery grip right here, and the lock, you just twist it like this, the screw, until you can feel that it's really tight. So what I can also do is turn it around to protect the screen, and it's quite tight now. Wait, okay. So you can give it a tug quickly to check if it's good. So now we can install the battery drawer. So I have two batteries here with me. Both are genuine Nikon brands, and I would highly recommend you use genuine Nikon brand batteries. I know it's really expensive to buy an extra battery. It costs around 40 euros, 45 euros, but it's quite recommended if you want your gear to be really safe and if you want the best results. You can also work with generic batteries as well, but for me it's not quite recommended. So I have both generic batteries, and take the grip here and load the batteries in. They go like so. Like so. One more here, and yep, it's really secured. Now all you need to do is grab this in, slide it in there, lock it, and yeah, I just twisted the tab clockwise to lock it, and then shift it down. So as you see, guys, it looks really nice. I really love bulky looking cameras with good grip, because I have really big fingers, big hands, so that it gives me extra grip to make pictures. So let's see if it can work. So yeah, as you see, it's working quite properly. I don't have the lens on. It says yeah, kind objective. It means no lens on, but yeah, no memory card as well. I'm just trying to show you how good it works. And as you see, the battery indicator doesn't show two different batteries, but it has good battery life, if you ask me. So yeah, I think yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, if you have any questions, again, do share it in the comment box. I'll try my best to answer all the questions. And yep, thank you very much for watching again. Have fun, stay safe. Thank you, guys. Ciao.